So this is the lower unit that I bought from got through OBR. I bought it from actually HinkleMarine near Atlanta, Georgia. I've been following the braking instructions that HinkleMarine sent. It's been about 5 hours. They say change the oil at 10, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it at 5. I wanted to show, this is the bottom lower unit oil plug, and this is the amount of metal that was on it. I don't know if that's a bunch or not, but that's where it is after 5 hours of following the braking instructions. I'm going to change the oil out, finish up the braking procedure, change it one more time, and then probably leave that oil in for a while. Let's see if that'll focus one more time. There we go. So that's the amount that come out of mine. Mine was a 150 Yamaha. It was marked new lower unit, which I understand is the outer gear casing is used, but all of the internal gears, seals, bushings, everything like that is supposed to be new parts. All right, hope this helps somebody.